Film actor turned politician R.K. Somarendra, alias Kaiku, filed nomination paper yesterday as a candidate of MPP in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections for Inner Parliamentary constituency at the office of the Deputy Commissioner in Imphal West District. Many supporters attended the filing of his nominations. Speaking to media persons, Kaiku said he has been in the field of politics since 2019. At this critical juncture, we need a powerful regional party. As such, he joined MPP. We need support from all sections of the society. He appealed to the people of Manipur to extend support and send him to the House of Parliament.
Manipur ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯁꯦꯟ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯥꯔꯀꯣ ꯇꯦꯔꯣꯔꯤꯁꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯏꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯏꯃꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯠꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯩꯊꯦꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯩꯊꯦꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯏꯕꯟ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯣꯠꯇꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯨꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯞꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯦꯖꯦꯟꯗꯥꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁꯀꯣ ꯏꯁꯨꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯛꯀꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯏꯁꯨꯁ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯀꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯂꯦꯛꯆꯨꯋꯦꯜꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯛ ꯍꯣꯜꯗꯔꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯐꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄꯅ ꯐꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ crisis what we are facing right now and how our people are struggling and this issue has been going on for it's almost 1 year now so if we want to change Manipur, if we want to bring peace or if we want to bring harmony, we need to bring regional party over here because this is very important, I believe. So instead of going for the national party, the community living over here in Manipur, all the people, I request that it's the right time for us to choose regional party to bring change in Manipur.